John, can I, as a full-time employee, enter into freelancing engagements to supplement my income? Yes, you can, but you have to consider two important things. Number one, check first your employment contracts. Some companies don't have any issue with this. Some companies do. They don't like the idea that their full-time employee is engaged with multiple preoccupations and their attention is divided. You also have to check your freelancing gig contract. Is it a daytime job? Is it a nighttime job? It could be a nighttime job, but you're still on call to attend meetings in the morning. And this might not sit well with your full-time job. Also, check the fine print always. Second thing is conflict of interest. If you're working for a food and beverage company and the freelancing gig is also for a food and beverage company and they may be competitors, there's conflict of interest because you may be sharing confidential information among parties. So sometimes you're required to be transparent and to reveal it to all parties